Is it screen is visible? Hello, good afternoon all. Is it screen is visible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So in
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay in the previous lecture, we seen that how to find the integral surface from a given curve. Okay, this one equation. Have you solved it? Example number third and fourth. Any doubt? Okay. Now see the example number 5. Okay, find the integral surface. Find the integral surface which passes through which passes through C. The curve is given by x into y is equal to x plus y and z is equal to 1. Okay, and the given partial differential equation is x square p plus y square q plus z square is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find the integral surface which passes through the given curve. Which curve? Xy is equal to x plus y and z is equal to 1. Okay, look at the solution. Now the given partial differential equation is given partial differential equation is x square p plus y square q plus z square, which is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1. Okay, now the auxiliary equations of equation 1 is the auxiliary equations of 1 are what is the auxiliary equation? What is the auxiliary equation? Dx upon capital
Dx
Q,
upon P.
dy upon capital Q, and
Capital
dz
Q.
upon capital R.
Capital R.
Okay, that implies what is the value of capital P? Dx upon
X square.
x square is equal to dy upon capital Q is y square is equal to dz upon
Z square.
minus z square. Okay, तुमचा r इकडे असेल ना राईट हँड साईडला. So dz upon minus z square. So give now. कोणते रेशोज घ्यावे लागतील? कन्सिडर दी रेशोज. कन्सिडर दी रेशोज. Dx upon x square is equal to dy upon y square. Now integrating, we get integrating above equation. We get what is the integration of 1 upon x square? Integration of 1 upon x square.
Minus 1 upon X.
Minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon y plus c1. Okay, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon sorry, 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon y plus c1. Okay, and here multiply throughout the equation by minus 1. Okay, the minus c1 येईल, पण जो काही असेल त्याला काय म्हटलंय आपण पुन्हा c1 कॉन्स्टंट, आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट आहे तुमचा c1. Okay, that implies 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, which is equal to c1. Okay, so this is our u of x, y, z. U of x, y, z. Give it as an equation number 2. Okay, now consider the second and third ratio. Okay, 1 upon y, dy upon y square is equal to dz upon minus dz upon z square. Similarly, we have consider the ratios. Consider the ratios dy upon y square is equal to minus dz upon z square. Okay, now again integrating, we get what we get by taking integration on both sides. So here we get 1 upon minus 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon z plus c2. So rearranging the terms, we get 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to c2. Okay, where c2 is the any arbitrary constant. So give it as an equation number third. So this is our v of xyz is equal to this one. Okay, now equation 2 and equation 3. The passes through the given curve. Which curve? Xy is equal to x plus y and z is equal to 1. So equation number 2 and third passes through the curve. Which curve? X into y is equal to x plus y and z is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to find the parametric equation of the given curve. So let here y is equal to or x is equal to s. So let x is equal to s. So what we get? Y is equal to s into y is equal to s plus y and z is equal to 1. So that implies s into y. Okay, s into y. Kyle, what is the value of y? Minus y is equal to yes. That implies taking y common, so here we get yes minus 1 is equal to yes. That implies y is equal to yes upon yes minus 1. Okay, any doubt up to here? So we get the parametric equation of the given curve is given by x is equal to yes, y is equal to yes upon yes minus 1 and z is equal to 1. Okay, now putting the values of x, y, z in equation number 2 and equation number 3. So putting these values in equation number 2 and 3, that is u of xyz and v of xyz. What is u of xyz? U of xyz is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to c1. So that implies u of x, y, z. So that implies the putting the values of x, y, z in this equation. So here we get that implies 1 upon yes minus 1 upon y is, so here we get yes minus 1 upon yes. Okay, which is equal to c1. So that implies yes minus yes plus 1 upon yes, which is equal to c1. That implies Kyle, yes into yes. Wait a minute. The one in. Okay, so 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus s plus 1. So here we get 2 minus s upon yes. Okay, which is equal to c1. That implies Kyle, yes is equal to 2 minus s is equal to c1 into yes. That implies कसं करणार s ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. नाउ टेल मी व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ s.
It is 2 upon c1 plus 1.
2 upon c1 plus 1. Okay, so 2 is equal to c1 into s plus s. So 2 is equal to c1 into yes common taking, so here 1 plus c1. So that implies yes is equal to 2 upon c1 plus 1. So this is the value of yes. Okay, now putting the values of x, y, z in equation number 3. What is equation 3? This one. V of x, y, z is equal to 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to c2. Okay, So v of x, y, z is equal to 1 upon y minus 1 upon z is equal to c2. Okay, so that implies what is the value of y? Hmm. Yes upon s minus 1. So here get 1 upon y, we get yes minus 1 upon yes. Okay, so here we get plus a minus a plus plus 1 upon z. Okay, so here we get plus 1 upon z. What is the value of z is 1. So here get 1 which is equal to c2. Okay, any doubt up to here? That implies yes minus 1 minus yes plus 1 plus yes upon yes is equal to c2. Okay, so that implies 2s minus 1 upon yes, which is equal to c2. But what is the value of yes? 2 upon c1 plus 1. Now putting the value of yes here. So here we get the relation in between c1 and c2. That implies 2 into value of yes is 2 upon c1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 upon value of s is 2 upon c1 plus 1, which is equal to c2. Correct है ना? Solve करते थे 4 into c1 plus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1. Okay, so into c1 plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to c2. Is it correct? Correct है ना? Solve करते थे
Yes, sir.
so that implies what is the value of now tell me the relation in between c1 and c2 by solving this one. c1 plus 1 this is into the c1 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to c2. Now c1 plus 1 and c1 plus 1 they get cancelled here. So here we get 4 minus c1 minus 1 is equal to 2c2. Okay, so that implies 2c2 plus c1 is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the relation in between c1 and c2. Okay, now put the values of c1 and c2 here. Put the values of c1 and c2 from equation 2 and 3. So we get what is the c1? V of u of xyz. U of xyz is nothing but 2 into c2 v of xyz 1 upon y plus 1 upon z. Okay, plus what is the c1? 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 3. Now solving this, we get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 2 upon z is equal to 3. Okay, after simplification, we get this one. And this is the required integral surface which passes through the given curve xy is equal to x plus y and z is equal to 1. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
This is the required integral surface which passes through given curve. Okay, हे झालं जेव्हा तुमचं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन लिनियर असेल. Okay, if suppose the given differential equation is non-linear partial differential equation. Okay, suppose your partial differential equation is non-linear, then how to solve? How to find the integral surface which passes through the given curve? Okay, look at question. Discuss ओके, एनी डाउट अप टू हियर? इथपर्यंत काही डाऊट्स आहेत का तुम्हाला?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the next point is discuss the method of finding the integral surface of a non-linear partial differential equation through a given curve. Discuss the method of finding the integral surface of integral surface of a nonlinear partial differential equation passes through a given curve. Okay, look at what is the method of solving the equation. Let capital F of x, y, z, and small p and small q, which is equal to 0, give it to the equation number 1, be the given partial differential equation. The given partial differential equation. Okay, so if the given partial differential equation is non-linear, we know that how to find the complete integral of equation number 1. Okay, there are two methods to solve the given partial differential equation if it is non-linear. Which two methods? Charles-Pitts method and Jacobi's method. Okay, so by Charles-Pitts method and Jacobi's method, we find the we find the complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay, so in this method, first we have to find the complete integral of the given partial differential equation. Okay, from that complete integral, then we have to find by using the equation of the curve. We have to find the one parameter family of that complete integral. Okay, look at it. So this is the given partial differential equation which is non-linear. Okay, so by usual method, that is by Charpit's method or Jacobi's method, we know that how to find the complete integral of given differential equation. We find the complete integral of equation 1. Okay, so that is the complete integral is given by capital F is the function of x, y, z, and a and b. Okay, which is equal to 0. So give it as an equation number 2, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Okay, so where a and b are the arbitrary constant. Now we are interesting to find the solution of equation 1 which passes through the given curve. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, या जो पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन दिलेला आहे त्याचा इंटिग्रल सरफेस काढायचा आहे जो दिलेल्या गिवन इक्वेशन कर्व मधनं तो पास झालेला पाहिजे असेल. ओके, सो वी आर हियर इंटरेस्टिंग to finding the solution of equation 1. Okay, this equation number 1, which passes through to the curve which is given by the parametric form. Curve, which curve? C's curve x is equal to x naught of yes. Okay, y is equal to y naught of yes, and z is equal to z naught of yes. So this is the given curve to us, and we have to find that integral surface of equation 1 which passes through this curve. Okay, so give this is an equation number third where S is the parameter. Here S is parameter. Okay, so we have to find the equation of the curve which passes through this curve, equation of the integral surface which passes through this curve. Okay, that's mean this curve it satisfies the given complete integral. Okay, so this curve x is equal to x naught of s, y is equal to y naught of s, and z is equal to z naught of s. This curve it satisfies the given complete integral. Okay, so this requires the curve. Okay, the curve lies on integral surface. Integral surface of 2. This is the integral surface. Okay, 2. Okay, now that implies f capital F of x naught of s, y naught of s, and z naught of s, and a and b. Okay, so this satisfies the given complete integral which is equal to 0. So give this is an equation number 4. Okay, so this requires that the relation 4 to be satisfied for each value of a and b. each a and b हा तुमचा काय कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल आहे. ओके, एच्या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूसाठी तुम्हाला काय मिळेल, वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली मिळेल. बीच्या प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यूसाठी अजून एक पॅरामीटर फॅमिली, वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली ऑफ कर्व मिळेल तुम्हाला, सरफेस मिळेल. ओके, so this requires that relation 4 to be satisfied for each a and b belonging to the corresponding subfamily or sub. Yes. Okay. Now, to eliminate yes. Okay, to eliminate yes, differentiate equation 4 with respect to yes. So we get to eliminate yes, differentiate equation number 4 with respect to yes. We have, okay, so partial derivative dou f by dou s. Okay, of which one? X naught of s, y naught of s, and z naught of s, with a and b, which is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 5. Now, and eliminating yes in between equation 4 and 5, we get the relation between a and b. Okay, that is we get the function in between a and b. So eliminating तुमचं इक्वेशन 4 कशामध्ये असेल, पूर्ण एस ए आणि बी मध्ये असेल. इक्वेशन 5 कशामध्ये असेल, एस ए आणि बी मध्ये असेल. So eliminating yes in between 4 and 5, we get the relation in between a and b. Okay, look at it. एकदा एक्झाम्पल घेतलं की कळेल तुम्हाला. थिअरी तुम्हाला हार्ड वाटेल, पण एकदा एक्झाम्पल घ्यायला लागलं की मग कळेल मग काय कसं घेतलेलं. ओके, सो अन eliminate yes between 4 and 5, we get relation between A and B, okay, which is arbitrary constant. And this defines a subfamily. Defines a subfamily we are looking for. Okay, and that relation is given by psi of AB is equal to 0. Okay, give it in equation number 6. And to each relation 6, for every relation 6 in between A and B, we find one parameter, one parameter subfamily of complete integral. ओके, म्हणजे काय केलं आपण कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल वरनं कुठं आलोय आपण त्या इक्वेशनचा वापर करून वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिलीवर आलो. Okay, and the envelope of this family, if it is exist, and that is the solution of that partial differential equation. Okay, and the envelope of this equation of this subfamily, okay, जो काही subfamily येईल त्याचा envelope जर exist झाला तर तो काय असेल solution असेल. Family if it exists is a solution. ओके, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय, आधी आपल्याला टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिली ऑफ कर्व काढावं लागेल, दॅट इज कम्प्लीट इंटिग्रल. अँड बाय युझिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व आपल्याला काय घ्यावं लागेल, काढावं लागेल मग वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली. अँड इफ द वन पॅरामीटर, द एनवलप ऑफ दॅट वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली एक्झिस्ट, then that is the solution of given partial differential equation which passes through the curve. Okay, now look at the example. Like the example घेतल्यावर कळेल तुम्हाला. Example number 1. Find the complete integral of, find the complete integral of p square plus q square into x is equal to p into z, and hence find the integral surface through given curve. So the curve x is equal to 0 and z square is equal to 4y. Okay, z square is equal to 4y म्हणजे हा काय तुमचा x is equal to 0 म्हणजे काय ना, x कोऑर्डिनेटच नाही आहे तुमच्याकडे. z square is equal to 4y कशामध्ये येईल म्हणजे हा yz प्लेन मध्ये. ओके, yz प्लेन मध्ये इक्वेशन ऑफ काय पॅराबोला आहे ना, x square is equal to 4ay. कोणाचं इक्वेशन आहे हा, okay, so z square is equal to 4y. We have to find the complete integral of this equation, p square plus q square into x is equal to pz, and hence find the integral surface to the curve. This is the curve. Okay, look at it. Solution. The given equation is, given partial differential equation is p square plus q square into x minus pz or is equal to pz. हे लिनियर आहे का नॉन लिनियर आहे? इज इट लिनियर और नॉन लिनियर?
सर नॉन लीनियर.
व्हाई?
सर पी आणि क्यू से डिक्रीज 1 पेक्षा जास्त.
पी आणि क्यू चा डिग्री किती आहे? तो 1 आहे, 2 आहे. ओके, ग्रेटर दॅन 1, हेन्स इट इज नॉन लिनियर. Okay, so given partial differential equation is non-linear partial differential equation. That is hmm, f of x, y, z, small p and small q is equal to p square plus q square into x minus pz is equal to 0. To give it an equation number 1. The auxiliary equation are the auxiliary Chalkits methodचा काय auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation are dx upon dy upon is equal to dz upon is equal to minus dp upon is equal to minus dq upon. Tell me dx upon काय in Chapman's method? We have to find the complete integral of given partial differential equation which is non-linear by Chapman's method. What is the auxiliary equation then?
dx upon fp.
dx upon fp.
Fp, yes. Then is equal to dy
dy
upon
upon fq. fq.
सांगा पटकन. dz
dz
upon
upon pfp plus qfq.
Fp plus qfq. Okay. Minus dp upon
fx plus pfz.
fx plus pfz na? Yes. Minus dq upon
fy plus qfz.
fy plus qfz. Okay. तुमचं नाव काय?
गायत्री ब्राह्मणे.
Okay. dx upon. Now tell me what is the fp? पाहायचे आणि fp सांगा काही.
So 2px minus z.
Okay. dy upon 2qx
So 2qx.
z का येईल
So
का
minus येत नाही. नाही sir.
नाही. Wait a minute. 2qx minus z नाही येणार. Wait a minute. Okay. Take a second. Okay. Then dz upon pfp. P into this one. So what we get here now? 2p square x minus pz. Okay. Plus qfq. So here you get 2q square x, which is equal to minus dp upon what is the fx?
It's p square plus
Q
q square.
square plus q square pfz.
Minus p square.
Minus fz का येईल?
P square.
Minus p.
So minus p square.
So minus p square. Okay, which is equal to minus dq upon fy till 0 in. Okay, why? Because no y term is there. And q into fz. What is fz? Minus p. So
Minus
minus
p.
q. So here get minus q into p. Okay, now consider the last two ratios. Consider the last two ratios. आधी आपल्याला कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल काढावं लागेल बरं का. मग ते दिलेल्या गिवन इक्वेशनचा कर्वचा वापर करून काय करावं लागेल? वन पॅरामीटर ऑफ फॅमिली काढावं लागेल, सब फॅमिली. आणि त्याचा एनव्हलप एक्झिस्ट झाला तर तो काय होईल? सोल्युशन इंटिग्रल सरफेस. लास्ट टू कर्व्स लास्ट टू रेशियोज आर मायनस dp अपॉन wait a minute p square plus q square minus this is p square is equal to minus dq upon minus q into p. ओके, हा तुमचा कॅन्सल होईल. मायनस मायनस प्लस होईल. ओके, इकडचा एक क्यू जाईल आणि इकडचा एक क्यू जाईल. सो व्हॉट इम्प्लाइज dp upon q. Okay, dp upon q is equal to dq upon p. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Implies p into dp plus, sorry, is equal
Sir,
to q into dq.
sir minus sign राहिली.
Okay,
Minus
हाँ,
dp upon
minus
q.
data plus is equal to 0. Okay, the minus sign है, minus sign. Okay, minus है ना. Okay,
Yes, sir. ते प्लस येईल मध्ये सर.
इथं
इथं
प्लस आहे
मायनस
म्हणजे
dp upon
हां
q square आहे.
plus, sorry, p dp into q dq is equal to 0. So here we get p square upon 2 plus q square by on integrating. Okay, integrating we get p square upon 2 plus q square upon 2 is equal to, suppose this is a square, a1 square होगा काही नहीं. Okay, that implies p square plus q square is equal to, suppose this is a square, 2 into a1 square is a square. Okay, so this is the equation. Give it as an equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Which one? Equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we get the values of p and q in terms of a. Okay, solving equation 1 and 2. What is the value of here? A square. Put the value of p square into q square is equal
Square
to a
x
square.
minus pz.
Put a
Sir,
a
one
square
मध्ये.
x minus pz. A square x minus pz is equal to 0. So that implies a square x is equal to pz. Okay, so what is the value of p? We get p is equal to a square x upon z. Okay, so equation 2 becomes now. Putting the values of q here. Okay, so q square plus a raised to 4 x square upon z square is equal to minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, so this one is q square is equal to काय येईल इकडे गेल्यानंतर हा a square minus a raised to 4 into x square divided by z square. Okay, so that implies q square is equal to a square into z square minus a raised to 4 into x square upon z square. Okay, that implies q square is equal to, taking a square common now, a square into z square minus a square into x square, okay, upon z square. That implies q is equal to a to square root of z square minus x square into a square upon z. Okay, so we get the values of p and q. Now put these values of p and q into dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Put the values of p and q in dz is equal to p dx plus q into dy. Okay, so here we get dz is equal to, value of p is a square x upon z into dx plus a into z square minus x square a square square root of upon this z into dy. Okay, how to find the integration? L integration solve करता है z dz, okay, minus a square x into dx, okay, upon square root of z square minus x square into a square. Here a is equal to a dx. dy. Is it correct? Correct after simplification?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That implies this one. So this implies hmm, this is the derivative of square root of z square minus x square into a square. Is it correct? This is a dy. पाहायचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढल्यानंतर ते होते का 1/2 रूट येस हाच ब्रॅकेट येईल इथे 2 येईल ओके झेड स्क्वेअर ऑफ याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल 2z dz आणि याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x a square dx 2 कॉमन गेट कॅन्सल ओके so on integrating we get integrating we get implies square root of z square minus x square into a square is equal to ay plus b. Okay, where b is the integrating constant. So that implies taking square on both sides. We get z square minus x square into a square, which is equal to ay plus b bracket square. Okay, so that implies z square minus a square into x square minus ay plus b bracket square is equal to 0. So this is the what? Complete integral of given differential equation, partial differential equation. Okay, so this is the step number 1. Step number 1. Okay, in the step 2, we have to find the arbitrary curve, the relation between arbitrary curve. Okay, in step number 2, to obtain the relation between arbitrary curve okay that given that the complete integral okay this complete one integral passes through the curve passes through the curve which one curve x is equal to 0 and z square is equal to 4y. Okay, how to find the parametric equation then? X is equal to 0. Okay, now put y is equal to t now. Y is equal to t, then z is equal to 4t. Z square is equal to, sorry, 4t. Okay, so this is the parametric equation of the given curve. Now putting these values, like equation number third one. Putting these values in equation third, we have putting these values in equation 3. We have what we have x is equal to 0 म्हणजे काय तिथे 4t minus a square into 0 minus at plus b bracket square is equal to 0. Look at here. Z म्हणजे काय तुमचा 4t z square म्हणजे 4t minus a square x is 0 minus at plus b means y is equal to t. Okay, putting y is equal to t with at plus b bracket square. Okay, so that implies 4t is equal to at plus b bracket square. Give it as an equation number 4. Okay, now we have to find the relation between a and b. So here differentiate with respect to t here. Okay, आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? We have to eliminate the arbitrary parameter, this parameter t. Okay, theory मध्ये काय बनलंय बघा इथे. To eliminate the yes, differentiate equation 4 with respect to yes, that is the parameter. Okay, so here we get the one more equation. Okay, so differentiate equation number 4 with respect to t. So here we get 4 is equal to 2at plus b into a. Okay, so that implies 2 is equal to a into at plus b. Okay, that implies at plus b is equal to 2 upon 2 upon a. So this is the equation number 5 from 4 and 5. 4 and 5 eliminate t. So here we get from eliminating t, we get the relation in between a and b. So we have put at plus b is equal to 2 upon here. Okay, so here we get 4t is equal to 4t is equal to at plus b means 2 upon a bracket square. That implies t is equal to 1 upon a square. Now they're putting the value of t in equation 5 of t in equation 5. This one, this equation. Okay, so here we get 2 is equal to a upon a square plus b, which is equal to a. So that implies 2 upon a is equal to 1 upon Kyle. Wait a minute. 1 upon
1
ab
plus AB upon B.
upon a. It get cancelled. So here we get 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equal to ab. So that implies b is equal to 1 upon a. Now this putting the values of b is equal to 1 upon a in the given complete integral. Okay, this complete integral. So here we get the one parameter family. ओके या दोन कॉन्स्टंट वरनं कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट होईल तो एक कॉन्स्टंट मध्ये कन्वर्ट होईल ज्यामध्ये एकच कॉन्स्टंट असेल. Okay, so then we get the one parameter family of curve. This putting b is equal to 1 upon a in equation third. We have z square is equal to ay plus b. Ay plus b means what? 1 upon a bracket square plus a square into x square. So that implies z square is equal to a square y plus 1 upon a also x square and a square plus a square into x square. So that implies a square into z square is equal to a square y plus 1 bracket square plus a raised to 4 into x square. Okay, that implies tile put a raised to 4 okay into सॉल्व करा है काय एक्सपांड करा है ब्रैकेट
A raised to 4 y square plus 2 a square
x
y
square
plus 1.
plus y square plus a square into bracket this is 2y minus z square plus 1 is equal to 0. त्याला एक्सपांड केल्यानंतर हे येईल कॉमन घेतल्यानंतर a raised to 4. Okay, so this is the equation number 7. So this is the one parameter family of curve now. Okay, so this is the required one parameter subfamily of equation number third, which is complete integral of the given partial differential equation. This one. Okay, this is the two parameter family of curve. Now putting b is equal to 1 upon a, we get 1 upon this one. One parameter family of the curve. Equation number 7. Now step number third. Now, how to find the envelope of one parameter family of curve? To find, काय करतो आपण? To find the envelope. one parameter subfamily, that is equation number third. ओके, इक्वेशन नंबर थर्डचं आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, एनवलप काढायचं आहे वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिलीचं. वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली काय तुमची, a⁴ इंटू एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस a² इंटू 2y मायनस z स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. काय करावं लागेल, डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए वगैरे काही लक्षात आहे का, वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली काढताना, एनवलप काढताना. ओके,
Yes,
differentiate
sir.
with respect to a. Okay, we get 4a³ आणि x आणि y तुमचे काय असतील, कॉन्स्टंट असतील तसेच, x² प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस 2a, ओके, इंटू 2y प्लस मायनस z स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वेअर नाव, काढता येईल a स्क्वेअर, सांगा व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वेअर इज. हा ए कॅन्सल होईल, त्यातला एक कॉमन काढल्यानंतर काय होईल, तिकडे गेल्यानंतर डिनॉमिनेटरला जाईल. टेल मी व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वेअर. a square into x square plus y square. Okay, 2 get cancelled, a cancel झाला, इकडे राहिला काय 2y minus z square is equal to 0. Okay, that implies 2 into a square x square plus y square is equal to z square minus 2y. Okay, so that implies a square is equal to z square minus 2y upon 2 into x square plus y square. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now putting the values of a square in equation number 7. So we get the envelope of equation 7, one parameter subfamily. Okay, putting these values of a square in equation 7, we get काय होईल, इकडे इक्वेशन 7 तुमचा इकडे सॉल्व करू. So here we get z square minus 2y upon 2 into x square plus y square. This is the value of a square now. Okay, a raised to 4 म्हणून ह्याचा स्क्वेअर होईल into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y upon 2 into x square plus y square into 2y minus z bracket square plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay,
So it is not bracket square 2y minus z square.
कुठे,
तर थर्ड टर्म मध्ये, तर खालची इक्वेशन.
हां हां, ब्रॅकेटमध्ये नाही, बाहेर आत आहे, सॉरी. ओके, 2y मायनस झेड स्क्वेअर येईल सॉल्व करता पुढे. ओके, ह्याचा स्क्वेअर करा, ह्याचा स्क्वेअर करा, मग हे कॅन्सल होईल एकदा. सॉल्व करूया. दिस इज झेड स्क्वेअर मायनस 2y ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर अपॉन 4 into x square plus y square bracket square, okay, into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y 2 into x square plus y square 2y minus z square. ओके, आता इथे पहा, मायनस साइन कॉमन काढल्यावर काय होईल, हा स्क्वेअर होईल. ओके, जर मायनस साइन कॉमन काढल्यानंतर हा मायनस प्लसचा मायनस होईल आणि इथे झेड स्क्वेअर मायनस 2yचं काय होईल, ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. Okay, that implies z square minus 2y bracket square upon 4 into x square plus y square. Okay, I cancel here. Minus z square minus 2y bracket square upon 2 into x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. ओके, आता डिनॉमिनेटर मला सेम करायचं. काय होईल इथे? ते 4 केल्यानंतर त्याचा 2 होईल. ओके, सो दॅट इम्प्लाइज -2 प्लस 1 काय होईल इथे? -1 अपॉन z स्क्वेअर मायनस 2y bracket square divided by 4 x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, correct है ना? So that
Yes, sir.
implies calculation part है, भरपूर calculation थे. 1 upon 4 into z square minus 2y bracket square divided by x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, now solve all these things. At last we get z raised to 4 minus 4 z square y minus 4x square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required solution of the partial differential equation given, okay, 1, equation number 1, which passes through the given curve. Okay, so this is the required integral surface of partial differential equation 1, which passes through the given curve. Okay, समजायला थोडा अवघड जाईल, जेव्हा प्रॅक्टिस कराल तेव्हा समजेल हे. ओके, दॅट्स वाय प्रॅक्टिस इट नो. काय केलंय आपण स्टेप 1 मध्ये? काय केलंय आधी? काय केलंय? कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल काढलंय. इथपर्यंत तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे. बाय चार्पिट्स मेथड वी हॅव टू फाइंड द कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल ऑफ द गिवन पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Okay, in the step number 2 we have to find the one parameter family. Okay, one parameter family subfamily by using equation of curve. Okay, equation of curves are using equation of curve we have to find the one parameter subfamily. Okay, and in the step number 3 we have to find the envelope of that subfamily. जर असं लक्षात ठेवला तरच लक्षात राहील, पाठ केला तर लक्षात राहणार नाही. Okay, in second step we have to find the one parameter subfamily of given complete integral, and in the step number 3 we have to find the envelope of one parameter subfamily if it is exists झाला तर. Then how to find the envelope of one parameter family? Differentiate with respect to a and eliminate the a from two equation. ओके, या स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये काय केलंय आपण? त्या इक्वेशनचा कर्वच्या इक्वेशनचा वापर करून रिलेशन काढलाय इन बिटवीन ए अँड बी. हा तुमचा रिलेशन आला. हा रिलेशन वापरून काय होईल? तुम्हाला 2 पॅरामीटर वरनं 1 पॅरामीटरला शिफ्ट होईल तुमचा गिवन कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल. ओके, आणि स्टेप नंबर 3 मध्ये काय केलंय? 1 पॅरामीटर फॅमिलीचा एनवलप काढलाय. आणि एनवलप काढतो कसं आपण? डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए करतोय आणि दिलेल्या इक्वेशन आणि आलेल्या इक्वेशन मधनं ए एलिमिनेट करतो. ओके, एनी डाउट? Okay, so this is the method to find the non-linear partial differential equation. Okay, we have to find the integral surface of non-partial differential equation by Charpit's method or Jacobi's method. Okay, solve this for the homework. P into Q is equal to Z. Find integral surface and the integral surface of the given partial differential equation containing the curve x is equal to 0 and z is equal to y square. Okay, and one more this equation there. Z is equal to p square minus q square, and कर्व काय दिले तुम्हाला 4z plus x square is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Okay, solve this problem. हा काय तुमचा x is equal to 0 आणि z is equal to y square म्हणजे काय? हा काय कोणाचं इक्वेशन आहे? y is equal to x square कोणाचं इक्वेशन असतं?
पॅराबोला.
कसं असतं y is equal to x square सांगा मला.
पॅराबोला.
पॅराबोला असतो ना, असा काहीतरी असतो हो की नाही?
येस सर.
येस सर.
मग आता थ्री डायमेन्शन मध्ये x इज इक्वल टू 0 म्हणजे काय येईल? इमॅजिन करता यायला पाहिजे ना. x इज इक्वल टू 0 म्हणजे समजा हा तुमचा थ्री डायमेन्शन, x हा समजा x ऍक्सिस, हा y ऍक्सिस आणि हा z ऍक्सिस. सॉरी, हा x घ्या किंवा हा y घ्या. ओके, x तर तुमचा 0च आहे, म्हणजे हा तुमचा या प्लेन मध्ये काय तुमचा x कोऑर्डिनेट सगळा 0 येईल. ओके, z इज इक्वल टू वाय स्क्वेअर. z इज इक्वल टू वाय स्क्वेअर म्हणजे कसा येईल तुमचा? हा इकडे एक्सटेंड होईल ना, z ऍक्सिस तुमच्याकडे x ऍक्सिस एक्सटेंड होईल, हा z ऍक्सिस. हा, z इज इक्वल टू वाय स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय होईल तुमचा? हा प्लेन येईल पूर्ण सगळा. तर ह्या प्लेन मध्ये हा तुमचा कुठेतरी कर्व आहे असं. ओके, प्लेन मध्ये थ्री डायमेन्शन मध्ये. ओके, जे इमॅजिन करता येत नाही ते ठीक आहे, जे समोर दिले ते इमॅजिन करता तरी यायला पाहिजे. Okay, so remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Okay, the geometry of the solution. Okay, any doubt up to here?